Hey everyone. Here I will teach you how to activate your copy of Windows 10 for free without using any software nor going through long and tiresome steps. Let's get to it. First, you'll need to download the Windows Activator document. I'll leave you the link in the description, but you can also find it on my website where there's another guide in case you need it. Once you download it, you should be able to find the file in your download folder, which is usually located in this PC as you can see in this video. Open it. Inside, you'll find multiple serials for every different version of Windows. You need to know the version of yours. In order to do this, go to your Search tab and type System. You'll see your version of Windows at the top of it. In my case, it's Windows 10 Pro. Now return to your activator and locate the code that matches your Windows. Here's mine. Copy the code. Now you need to replace the asterisks next to this name. Select all the asterisks and replace them with your code here. Now you'll need to open your command prompt. Go to your search bar again and type CMD. Remember to right-click on it and run as administrator. OK, the command prompt window will pop up. Return to your activator and copy the code you just got. Paste it next to System32 in the command prompt. To do this, remember to use Ctrl+V. Press enter and wait. A window will pop up telling you it was successful. Now return to your activator. There are two more codes. You can copy either, but usually, the first one works. Copy it and go back to your command prompt. Do the same, Ctrl+V to paste it, and press enter. Another window will pop up telling you it was successful. You'll need to return to your activator one last time and copy the last code here. Return to the command prompt and paste it with Ctrl+V and press enter. Now you'll need to wait. This last step usually takes a little longer. Finally, the activation window will pop up telling you it was successful. You can close all the windows now. Congratulations, your Windows 10 has been activated for a lifetime. I truly hope this tutorial worked for you. If you have any issues, please let me know in the comments below. Please like and subscribe so I can keep providing you with different solutions and new software for free. Thank you very much.